Artificial intelligence, AI, involves the development of computer programs that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, language translation, strategic decision-making, and complex problem-solving. AI works by using a combination of machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, deep learning, and neural networks to analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns and trends, and then make predictions or decisions based on this analysis. When an AI system is created, it is typically trained using large amounts of data. This data often consists of examples that demonstrate the type of behavior the AI system is meant to produce. For example, an AI system meant to recognize images of cats might be trained using a large data set of labeled images of cats so that it can learn to identify common patterns and features that are characteristic of a cat. Once the AI system has been trained using this data, it can then be tested to see how well it performs. If the system produces accurate results, it can be deployed to perform its intended task in the real world. One of the key advantages of AI is its ability to continue learning and improving over time. As more data is fed into the system, it can refine its understanding and improve its accuracy and performance. Overall, AI works by leveraging advanced algorithms and data processing techniques to simulate human intelligence and decision-making abilities. While it is still a relatively new field, many experts believe that AI is poised to revolutionize a wide range of industries and transform the way we live and work.